Good morning, students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous class we have discussed that even in the 21st century, the inhuman practice of branding is still prevalent in some regions of our country. So, by branding, we mean marking babies with hot iron rods. Children, as we have discussed, in some regions of our state or in some remote part of our country, whenever a small child suffer from any disease or suffer from fever or diarrhea, then the illiterate parents or grandparents took their children to the quacks. We have discussed by quack we mean those persons who provide treatment to the people without any formal education or without any formal knowledge. So without proper qualification, without being trained, those persons who treat the people are called the quacks. So in the remote part of our country or in some regions of our country or state, we found that when the children suffer from diseases, then the illiterate parents or grandparents took their children to the quack. And how the quacks provide treatment to the child? They put the hot iron rod on the fire, and when it is heated up, then they started marking the stomach of the babies with the hot iron rods. Children, imagine such a young child at such a young age, what type of a suffering he or she may be going through. So, the child succumbs to the injuries or the child dies because of such type of a branding. So, instead of being cured, this lead to the death of the child. But still, such type of a blind practice is continuing in our society. So, children, have you heard the name Harry Potter? Harry Potter is a boy wizard. The famous character Harry Potter is the brainchild of J.K. Rowling. Harry Potter is the brainchild of J.K. Rowling. And who is J.K. Rowling? J.K. Rowling is a famous British authoress. She created the character Harry Potter and she has written a wide series of books named Harry Potter series, and her books are made into several Hollywood movies. So there you see that the boy wizard masters in witchcraft. So the practicing of witch or the practicing of witchcraft is not associated only to the underdeveloped countries or developing countries. Such type of concepts are also seen in the developed countries. But the only difference is that practicing of witchcraft or practicing of black magic is used as a source of entertainment in the developed countries. But in underdeveloped countries or in developing countries, generally we see that practicing of black magic or witchcraft has gone to the real practice of human beings, or it has gone to such an extent that they use it on the common human beings. So when the black magic or witchcraft is used upon a person, then automatically it led to very dangerous or devastating results. So children, in some regions of our country, such type of things are happening. And as we have discussed in the previous class, this is happening because of poverty, illiteracy, and also lack of proper health care facilities or lack of standard medical facilities in the remote parts of the country. So, due to poverty, illiteracy, and also lack of health care facilities, such type of things are still continuing in some regions of our country. Superstition also plays a vital role. Still, people are so much superstitious. It is told that our people are God-fearing people. Generally, people believes that if we will not do this, then it may anger the God, or evil spirits may do harm to us. So, the persons who are providing treatment in the rural areas or the quacks take this sentiment of the people, and by taking these sentiments of a people, they started blackmailing the innocent people. Generally, as we have told or as we have discussed, that people are God-fearing people. So it is easy to threaten the people with the dreaded consequences. Then the quacks generally warn the people that if you will not go for animal sacrifice, or if you will not go for such thing, then it may anger the God. Then the evil spirits may make different types of losses to your family members. So automatically those people, or those people who are living in the remote part of the country, they fall prey to the black magicians, they fall prey to the village quacks or the desari. So automatically whenever they fall prey to the village quacks, then it may lead to cost the life of their innocent children. So children, as we have discussed, as you are studying in various educational institutions of our state, you have to play a very significant role, an important role in abolishing such a wrong practice, such an inhuman practice. So long as such inhuman practice will continue, then automatically we cannot tell that we have gathered the proper knowledge. The knowledge that we have gathered from our schools, we have to use it in order to abolish such an inhuman practice. So Rabindranath Tagore in his poem Gitanjali has mentioned that where the mind is without fear and the brain is held high, that means the proper, a person who is knowledgeous, his mind should be without fear. His or her mind should not be conditioned. What do you mean by conditioned mind? By conditioned mind, we know that when generally you see in a computer students, we make a programming. As per the programming, the computer gives us the result. So to some extent, our mind is being conditioned by different types of customs. What do you mean by custom? By custom, we know that the people, that custom means something that are practiced by the people for a long period of time. Take for example, it is a custom among the Muslims to go for fasting in the month of Ramzan. In the month of Ramzan, the Muslims go for fasting. So custom means anything that is practiced by the people, by the society for a long period of time. So students, sometimes our brain is being conditioned by some practices. So in our tribal areas, there are some customs are there, and these customs are still continuing in the tribal areas. And even if some educated people are binded by such customs, so we cannot tell them as properly educated persons. As Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore tells that a knowledgeous person, a learned person is one whose mind is without fear and whose mind can accept the truth only, and also has the proper reasoning power. Whenever the concept of a branding comes, then we must try to understand whether it is a good practice or it is a bad practice, and we have to develop such a knowledge, or we have to develop our knowledge to such an extent. We have to empower ourselves. We have to know that what type of medical facilities are available in the nearby area. So instead of going to the village quacks, we have to search for qualified doctors. We have to motivate our people that they should visit a government hospital or to a hospital where the qualified doctors are providing treatment to the children. So much development has been taken in the medical science nowadays. There is a great level of a development has been undertaken in the medical science. So the infant mortality rate has also declined to the greatest extent because of a development of medical science. The maternal mortality rate, the infant mortality rate has been greatly declined in our country. Okay, so infant mortality rate means the children who are dying before celebration of their first birthday are called the infants. So in our country, or the children who are dying at a very low age are called the infants. So the infant mortality rate has declined to the greatest extent. Due to the development of medical science, there is also decline in the maternal mortality rate, or the mothers who are dying at the time of delivering the child, etc., or during the period, this period is regarded as a maternal mortality rate. The maternal mortality rate has also declined to the greatest extent, but still in some regions, because of lack of healthcare facilities, lack of proper educational facilities, still such type of a blind practice of branding is costing the life of innocent children. So children, you have to play a very significant role, a very important role in your region, in your area, whenever you are visiting to your villages during the summer vacations or during the holidays. You observe whether such type of a practice is being prevalent or is going on in your area. And if this comes to your notice, then you try to motivate the people that they must not send their children to the village quacks or disaris, or they must send their children to the nearby hospital. They must send their children to the qualified doctors, so that you can save the life of so many innocent children in our country. So students, you have to play a very significant role, a very important role, and this role can be converted into a movement, into a mass movement in achieving such a goal. So students, here are some comprehension questions. Let's have a look at some comprehension questions. So students, what is this topic about? So as you know, this topic is about branding. And what is branding? Branding means marking babies with hot iron rods in their stomachs. It's called branding. So students, do you believe such type of a practice is a good practice or it is a bad practice? Students, definitely it is a very bad practice, and you should not suppose such type of a practice. There is another question, that what do you think is a better place to go, a village quack or a doctor, whenever a child suffers from any disease? So which place you should recommend, or you should recommend to your neighbor to visit to whom? To a quack or a doctor? Children, no doubt you must recommend your neighbors, you must recommend your family members, your friends, near and dear ones, to go to only qualified doctors in the hospitals, and you must advise them not to visit the village quacks. So students, thank you, have a nice day, and go through the chapter thoroughly. See you in the next class.